VLCN stock analysis and VLCN stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Just watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Volcon Incorporated. It's a decent 7% increase in price. Where are we heading next? I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and you bet I've seen what's working for me and what's not. With that in mind, VLCN has been just melting down, man. Like, it's really been just putting in this bearish price action like crazy. And I mean, before the reverse splits and whatnot, I just had this crazy bearish bias, and that was just delivering. It was really just melting. But yeah, with VLCN, I'll remove everything. It's still a bearish market. Is it gonna be like this forever? I don't think so. I mean, unless I see a big catalyst, I'm changing my bias of this. But even again, the supply zones coming from here, the likelihood that we keep going down is just, the odds are in favor, right? So it's just my bearish bias. I'm not even willing to trade this right now. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, just click the first link in the description. You will find a lot of sales there.